Look, why is this tattoo artist? Ooh. I'm trying to move.
Why do you want to be a tattoo artist?
Just so I can do stuff like that. Like, here, there's pain.
There's no money in this.
Alright, you ready to breathe? Okay.
This makes me think of the people who be on, like, a baby store.
Let it out.
It reminds me of baby store when they're having their contraction and they're like, You make me think of the Grinch.
No, we just going around in the room doing that, girl.
Is this you made the little boy say,
That's not hear it.
Just stop.
No, it's just way time. Get up on it.
I never had a headache like this you're asking for. I mean, do what you want with a man, but do not fuck with his Cadillac. Hey, that's a nice thing, guys. Oh, you know something that is nice. That's beautiful.
Oh, it's blue. I was wondering how you knew where to go with it.
He firmly believes that you have to block demons down you. You lose what's left of your mind.
Do it.
After you keep them from using that on me, then I say, hey, go eat.
You're a talker. She's a talker.
She needs to talk to me with her, get her mind off me. I mean, talking, no, and it's not going to work if I talk at all.
No, I mean, like, she makes noise when it's playing.
Well, you're not moving around when you're talking, so.
I'm not moving around at all when I'm talking.
No, because when you're talking, you're not thinking about it. You're just being like,
just trying to say words because I don't know right now.
So what are you doing for spring break?
I'm going home.
Where's home?
Yeah.
Macon, Georgia. That's where my home is.
Macon, yep, girl.
No, Macon is not lame.
Yes, it is, especially the east side of Macon.
What? The east side lame? Nah.
I said it at the wrong time.
Huh?
Let's not do that every year.
I thought she moved. She want to see Daisy, and Daisy gonna make her sound like that. No, hell no, he can't make me sound like this. She gonna be like,
but I heard,
he cannot make me sound like this. Oh my God, Daisy. I tried 3 times, and he can't be up fast.
Hey, this is the reason to point out people's business, brother. That's so fucked up.
I know who you're talking about.
I don't have to, it's still fucked up.
Because he was doing it was real effed up. Like, what happened? It was real. They like, offer me muffins after. No, I don't want no